How to remove a saved card from 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the menu section located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings from the top right corner. In the Account Management section, you will see options like Top Up Account and Withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw option. Now you will see the list of your available withdrawal methods. If you have saved any card before, they should appear here automatically. Find the card you want to remove and tap on it. You should then see a small delete icon or an option that says remove or delete, depending on your app version. Tap on the delete or remove option. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete the card. Once you confirm, the card will be successfully removed from your account. If you don't see any delete option, it could be because the card was used in a recent transaction or is still linked to a pending withdrawal. In that case, you may need to wait until the transaction is fully processed or switch to another withdrawal method first. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a saved card from 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.